guys, good afternoon. I find these days I'm waking up real late now. It's like 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I got up like about an hour ago. Yeah, I come off the bed like about an hour ago, so I just took a shower. Because of that, I'm skipping breakfast, so I just go straight to lunch. I just had a chicken salad. Time to start my very short day. So I have a couple things that I want to do at home today. And one is I have to clean out my fish tank. It's extremely dirty. I leave it like that purposely because I bought a new filter for them and I wanted to change it one time. So today I'm gonna do that. And I also have an aloes plant that I need to take out from the pot and put it in the back because it is getting too big for that small pot. So yeah, you all wanted to see what I do in a day quarantine wise at home, so here goes. Before I start, let me get rid of these dry wares from the dish rack. Personally speaking, I hate to see wares on a dish rack. I also dry in pepper seed because I want to plant these babies. These peppers are so sexy. I paid $5 for 4. Real nice. So I keep in the seeds. I'm gonna try to plant it. So this is my fruit bowl that I put them in the meantime while I clean it out, like with all the stones and stuff. They stay in here. Alright, so let me wash it out first before I put them in here, and they start to swim upside down. Let me take one. Look at gunk. Come here, ready.
Toots.
Ready? Come here, fatty.
Don't squeeze it in.
Don't. Hello.
Hey. Here's an Oscar. Take it easy, the Meg.
Hello. Okay, so this throwing away. Okay, so the pump too big. Filter. The filter is too big. What now?
So much?
Yeah, so we're having some technical difficulties. Look at the weather today. It is so nice. It is very nice. This plant I was selling earlier, but it is so big for this little pot and it's drying. So I need to transfer it from here and put it in the back. You all want to see how I play with my fishes? Watch it. Dee dee dee. Hi, mama. Hi, mommy, little baby.
No, stop doing the fishing and that, girl. Something wrong with you mentally, you know.
Next one for pet. Diggly. Hi, mama. He's a boy. Hi, baby. What? Watch how he quiet.
Laura.
They're spoiled. They are spoiled fishes.
Killing the fish and playing.
What? They don't even like
You
you.
love me. Come into my arms, I am the Lord.
Let me get them. Oops. Can baby come. Watch how I'm gonna make everybody think we having prayers, right? Watch. Fruit bowl, old filter.
Hey, big on chocolate here. Alright.
Do the horn.
No, you did it just now. Alright, you big on chocolate girl.
I know I'm looking greasy, but honestly, like these days I'm going for the greasy look, the healthy shine look. So yeah, so they're up and running. Filter works fine. Now it's time to watch a movie. So I started watching The Omen. I think I watched it once years ago, like real years ago. So I didn't know it had like 2 other parts to it. So I'm gonna start part 2 today. The music creepier. Okay, so it has been a couple hours and filter seems to be working fine. I don't know why it looks so foggy, but it probably doesn't look clean because the background is brown, right? But they're doing fine. They seem to like it. It works really well. So yeah. Okay, so unfortunately I did not get a chance to transfer my aloe plant today. The sun was extremely hot and I didn't have enough soil. I have to go and get soil for it, so I think I'll do that tomorrow or something like that. So yeah, so that was it today. Basic. I cleaned the fish tank, clean up a little bit. I looked at a movie, I took a nap, and today was just that. So guys, I will see you guys next time. Bye.